guys, welcome back. So, kita ninyo sa inyong screen karon nga natay mas complex nga problem. But dili kay ni siya complex pag dili ta mataranta. Okay? So atong buhaton diri is natay ipang factor out. Okay? Sa left side, pwede na to i-factor out si x. Then sa right side, okay, kulang tag dy dire. Okay, sa right side, pwede ta mag gamit og groupings. Okay guys? So, uh, pwede na itong sugod. So, x, then, di ba? Ang common nila is x. So, pwede natin factor out si x. Then, ang mabilin sa first term is si y. Then, sa second term, i-extract natin si x. So, 1. Then, dx. Okay, for this one, ang pwede na ito i-groupings is si x squared ug na ay x squared. Pwede na ito i-grouping si y squared plus 1. So nakatay x squared, y squared, then plus x squared. Then plus y squared plus 1 dy. Okay, now na to simplify ang ato ang right side. So for this one, ang common nila is x squared. So we have x squared, then y squared plus 1. Then plus, ang common nilang dua is 1. So extract si 1. Then we have y squared plus 1. And dy. So take note sa groupings, pwede po nato ni ma-factor out si y squared plus 1 kay common sa duha ka term. Okay? So we have y squared plus 1. Then, ang nabilin sa first term is si x squared na lang. Then, nabilin sa second term is si 1. Then, plus 1. And ayaw kalimutan sa ito ang dy. Then, copy the left side equation. Then, dx. Okay. Again, for this one, pwede na nato siya gamitan ng separation of variables. Kaya na-simplify na nato ang equation. So, again, apply na ito ni cross multiplication. So, pwede na ito ma-separate diri ang walay labot sa x is c y plus 1. So, pwede na ito ni siya multiply sa ito ang denominator. So, diri apod ang pwede na ito cross multiply is si x squared plus 1. Then we write the equation, guys. Is x is x dx then over x squared plus 1 is equal to y squared plus 1 multiplied by dy then over y plus 1. Okay? Diri daghan ma-confuse about sa y squared plus 1 o sa y plus 1 squared. So, y squared plus 1 kay dili siya equal sa y plus 1 squared. Okay? Dili na siya equal kay nga naman kani siya is simplest term na niya, expanded form na. So, ang expanded form sa ato ang y plus 1 na naka-squared, that is y squared plus 2y plus 1. So, dili siya equal ani nga term. So, dili na to pwede makancel out si y plus 1. So, unsaon na to ni para ma-reduce ni siya, gamitan na to og long division. Okay, long division. So, si y squared plus 1 divided by y plus 1. Okay. For this one, ang atong highest degree exponent is squared. Tapos na tayo y dire. So, para makuha na to si y squared, gamitan na to og multiplyan na to si y plus 1 y. So, naatay negative dire sign. So, y times y is y squared. Then, y times 1 is y. Then, y squared minus y squared is 0. So, naatay negative y minus, wala man siya y, common term niya nga degree. So, copy na lang si negative y. Then, si plus 1, wala po siya common term diri nga constant. So, copy si plus 1. Okay? So, take note, naapatay y. And we also have y sa ito ang divisor. So, pwede na to, para makam up ta og negative y, si y, multiplyan na nato og negative 1. So, naatay negative sign dire. Then, negative 1 times y is negative y. Then, positive 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So, negative times negative is positive. Then, negative y plus y is 0. Then, positive 1. Negative, negative, this is positive 1. So, plus 1. Then, plus 1 is positive 2. Then, copy out C, 2. And the remainder is 2y plus 1. So, pwede na to ma-rewrite ang ato ang right equation kani into this one para mas dali na to sira. So, rewrite the equation. So, natay x dx, then over x squared plus 1 is equal to y minus 1 plus 2 over y plus 1. Then, makamultiply na siya kay dy. Tama? Okay. So, next step is we need to integrate both sides. So, for this one, for this term, so, ato ang u diri is u is equals to x squared plus 1. Then, para makuha na to atong du na atay 2x, then dx. So, dapat ang ato ang du lang is x dx. So, si 2 diri mao na ato ang neutralizing factor na yan is 1 half. So, na atay neutralizing factor na 1 half. So, ato ang i-write, we have 1 half, then, integration of 2x dx over x squared plus 1 equal to square root of sa total equation. Equation is y dy, distribute na to si dy, then minus dy, then plus pagawas ang constant 2, then integration dy over y plus 1. So, pwede na nato siya ma-integrate tanan. Okay, for this one, natay 1 half, then ln x squared plus 1 is equal to, this one is y squared over 2. Then minus y. Then the last part is, so last part na to, plus 2, then ln y plus 1, and again, don't forget our constant. So always remember nga natay constant. This is plus ln constant, or you can simply write c. Okay, pero mas dali siya butangan nato ln because ang equations kay na ay mga ln. Okay, to simplify our equation, take note na naa sila common term at 2 halos. 2, 2, and 2. So, multiplyan na to both sides by 2. Okay, then we have ln x squared plus 1, then equal to y squared, then minus 2y, then plus 4 ln y plus 1 plus 2 ln c. Okay, for the right side, naatay 2 ka ln. Okay, right side 2 ka ln. So, pwede na ito i-combine. But first, ito i-factor out sa ilaha ang 2. Then, naatay 2 ln y plus 1 plus ln c. So, kani sila. Kanin 2 diri pwede na ito i-exponent. Plus 2. Then, ln y plus 1 squared. Then, plus ln c. Again, papalayan na ito product rule sa logarithmic. So, we have ln c, then y plus 1 squared. And we can rewrite this one. Bring down the 2. That is 2 ln c y plus 1. Okay. Then we have plus 4 ln c y plus 1. Okay. What is our equation? Bilin. So, bilin equation is patay x squared plus 1 is equal to y squared plus 2y. And this is our final answer. Thank you guys for watching.